Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I am Tom. We are playing Motortown, behind the wheel, to try out my audio settings and make sure everything sounds halfway decent, I guess to say. Not exactly sure how well it's going to work, but it's been quite the freaking struggle this morning trying to figure everything out. Nothing seemed to cooperate, or I couldn't figure out what settings I needed or what settings I wanted and how I wanted my voice to sound, and I don't know. It was a struggle. And I'm not even sure how well it sounds right now. And honestly, I've tested it and tried it. It sounds decent, but I don't know if it's much better than my last. It does sound better to me, but that don't mean anything, I guess. It's still a work in progress. I've been dicking around with it pretty much all morning now, and I don't know. It's been quite the struggle. And hope I got it figured out, but I don't know. I just want the fucking winch. There we go. Alright, good. We're just gonna mess around for a little while in here. And try and get some stuff figured out. And we will go back to Bladestorm and try to beat that story. It was slightly confusing last night because I didn't know what the fuck I was supposed to be doing. And then when I actually got the catapult and everything and went to fire, I ended up getting killed by little goblins or gremlins, and I had no way to stop them, which sucked. But I was like, honestly really confused on what the fuck I had to do. We just had to deliver or transfer the weapons to the destinations. I was like, what the fuck are we trying to, like, I didn't see any weapons at first, and I was already way the frick out of the way, and I didn't know. This is gonna suck, I guess, but we'll try and give her a whirl, get this up. But I really ain't got nothing else better to do today, so we're just gonna do tow truck and stuff right now until until I actually get my audio half-ass figured out. So this video is probably only gonna be like a half an hour, give or take, just cause I want to see if it's actually gonna work the way that I want it to. I don't know if that's gonna work. No, we're just gonna roll my truck up the hill or down the hill. So yeah, that ain't gonna work at all. We need a higher point. Oh, there's a popo. Officer, I'm right fucking here. Just give me the damn ticket. But excuse me. Um, can I hook it back here? Cool. Try to winch in at that point. Oh, no, nothing. Fuck me. Now we're just gonna fucking turn it. We will, I guess, disconnect and try to get to a frontal point. More like this. I guess. Not even sure if that's gonna work, honestly, but probably help if I had a better tow truck, I guess. And this was actually on the fucking road and not in the ditch like this. Would also probably help. We're gonna, I guess, try to get onto the road, kinda, I guess. Use my tow truck. Don't have enough balls to Drag it up the damn hill. I need a stronger winch. Or a butter tow truck, either or. So we'll just kind of spin it around. And I'm in the middle of traffic. Yeah, this fucking thing's heavy. Okay. Should be good enough. I'm gonna get in my damn fucking... Grab this quick. It says it's too late now. Well, I don't care. You can go around. Everybody else will just have to fucking wait. This is the only thing that's important to me, so... Deuces. Have fun. But yeah. Been working on audio. Trying to get half-ass decent. I watched a few videos on settings and stuff, and I'm not even sure if what I did made... Well, in my opinion, I don't know if it changed how my audio sounds or not. But it's kind of what it is. Oh yeah, fuck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. I guess I have enough balls to flip it up if it's on flat ground. No, I don't. Pick up item. Put it down. Thank you. This fucking thing's probably fucking just rented now, but it's alright. We're just messing around right now. Making a little cash. Nothing too crazy. I was going to possibly do a fuel haul at some point, but might have to wait a little bit, I guess, if I do that. Just because I want to get everything figured out. I'm guessing parking brake's probably on, eh? Yeah, why? That works. There fucking go, boys. And I'm gonna lift it up just a tad bit more. No, that's the wrong way. There we go. Fuck yeah. Alrighty, let's try not to cause much more harm. I definitely need some more weight up front. I can't fucking turn. I can't turn. That's bullshit. Bullshit. Can I turn now? Possibly, yes. Good. Not very good at speed. Can't really stop either. So we're going to tilt down. Put it mostly on the ground, I guess. And go from there. Oh yeah, that's a little bit better. Probably shouldn't be towing it like this, but fuck it. I gotta get more weight and a better winch if I'm gonna do a bunch of these ones. But, that's alright. Yeah, it gets real fucking loose. We'll put it in comfort mode so it's not trying to go all NASCAR mode. But yeah. Get this delivered. See if there's another one close by. I just want to kind of just test stuff out today. And I can always frick around and do more audio stuff after this video. I just want to listen to it. So I'm not planning on making a really long one. Maybe half hour at max. Nothing too crazy. Just to make sure that my audio sounds half-ass decent, I guess. Because I've had a few complaints that I needed a new mic. And I got a new mic. I tested it out last night. Not sure how good it sounded because I didn't have anything really set because I was confused and it was kicking my ass last night. Or I guess early this morning. Throughout the whole time. But I took a break last night or early this morning. I went to sleep and then started today as a new day and did some odd and end stuff before I'd done any of this, just to keep a cool head and take some time to enjoy other stuff other than struggling, I guess. And I got all prepared and got everything else kind of sort of done that I needed to do, and now I started testing my headset around, I don't know, 12:15, and I took like a half hour to get to this point, and I'm just going to keep testing it. Yeah, that fucking sucked balls. I definitely need some more weight or a different tow truck. I need weight up front. I don't know if we'll check out the Brutus tow truck quick. Maybe that would be a little bit better than this guy. A little more traction, I guess, to say too. Because that one's 4-wheel drive. Oh shit, 7 grand. That ain't terrible. Didn't think we were gonna make that much money. But that's alright. We probably would have made more if I didn't get it all damaged up more than it was already at. But yeah, it's fine. It's fine. How much is the Brutus? $250. But can I purchase it? I can. So, vehicle information. Don't really tell you. Just says comfort, 6-speed. I can change the motor. I'm not too worried about that. But I feel like that one's more heavy duty than the one that I have. How much can I get if I sell this? That's my real question. 105, that's not enough. But that is okay, that is okay. We will work our way up to making monies. And this thing's kind of decent, but on heavier stuff, it's not that great. And I think the Brutus is the next step up over this one before you get to the the actual big boy one. So we might honestly haul some fuel, or well, maybe we can grab some fuel and haul it down to, is it OG? Oh, I'm OG. Is it OG? Yeah, OJ drilling, OG drilling, I guess to say. Or we'll just go down there and then haul a big load of oil up and get contracts and make some good old-fashioned Mooney that way. And then we can buy a different tow truck and do some more tow trucking shenanigans, I guess. I also kind of want to slowly transition my vehicles into the black and red instead of this purple and black. Even though the purple and black is nice, but honestly, the red and black looks sexy as fuck, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, that actually looks fire. With the black rims, fuck yeah, looks real good. My opinion. But that can be after I haul a big load of fuel. But I think I'm going to cut this video here shortly just to listen to the audio, and hey, maybe we'll just play this today and work on Bladestorm and possibly Bannerlord throughout the week, since honestly I don't have to work weekends anymore. So I have, as far as I know, my weekends back, so that's cool. And yeah, we'll just work on this game today. And it's the easiest one to test audio because there ain't a whole lot going on in the game. So I'm just going to test audio in here. And frick it, if I actually enjoy how it sounds, we will play this game for a while and we can test it on Bannerlord. And if it works and sounds decent on Bannerlord without having to switch much, we can, or I will create a new character in the Vlandian farm, and we will make our own, like, I don't know, crusades or some, or crusader or something. I don't know. Thing is, fuck it, why not? Or something along those lines. Maybe we will um, do something along those lines. I don't know. I kind of want to actually make a story in the game instead of just playing. But my luck, by the time that I actually start getting in deep and playing as a story, the new update's going to come out. So, but I don't even know when that's coming out. It says early fall. Early fall can be tomorrow, could be end of October. So, or starting in November, because November's late winter, I guess, or late fall. So I guess we'll just test and play and figure stuff out and go from there. And thank you guys for coming back. Hopefully my audio does sound better to everybody, and myself included. And yeah, thanks for the support. Thanks for the comments and informing me of my shitty ass audio. Been working on it, and I actually committed last night and bought a new headset and mic. So we're going to work on it and play some games. So yeah. Thank you guys for coming back. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for everything. And bye bye.